Starting soon.
Hey guys, Tim from here at the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode where are we at? Today I actually lost track. 457. Now this is gonna be will Bitcoin get to 50k? And it's gonna be just a technical analysis for crypto. Now if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you're going to be updated with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. You're going to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done. Join us on Discord. Links in the description, guys. Thank you all for joining me tonight. There's some donations coming through. That is so cool, man. Let's check what what came through. There's a couple donations that just came through, man. Thank you very much for the donations. Let's see. I'll get through chat in a second. Like your heart with the kind donation, man. Thank you very much for that. I really, really appreciate that, dude.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that, dude. There we go. One off, dude. Thanks so much for that. I really appreciate it. Gabriel Morales, excellent. Guy Freak, 80 MVT. Sure, man. I'll do those as well, man. Why not? With that to you, my friend, I'll also say,
Audience, say it with me.
legendary. There it is, man.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for that, dude. One up. Guys, tonight's stream is actually going to be quite shorter than usual. My throat's been killing me. I contacted a doctor friend of mine. He sent me some medicine that I got to take. And he told me to drink a lot of tea, honey. And I'm actually drinking some, sucking on some, something to numb the throat. So I'm able to pull through the stream tonight. So I'm only going to do about 15 coins today, maybe. We'll see how I'm doing by the time we get there, right? 15, maybe 20 coins. We'll see
and what's going on
when we're
right
at coin 15. ADMVT, sure, man. Guy, no wait, that was a member for life, dude. Member for life.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, dude. I appreciate that. There we go. One up, dude. Dude, laugh very hard. Thank you very much for that, dude. Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you very much.
There we go. One up, dude. Let's keep moving through the stream. Spark point. Sure, man. All right. So let me get the list sorted out real quick. And because there's already a couple of requests that are coming in, right? So let's do this in the house. I haven't even noticed. Todd, thank you for being here, man.
What's up?
Antonio Vasquez, what's up, dude?
Up?
Pedro, yo, hey everyone. Soga's here, great. Jake's here, awesome. Can I do E-Gold? Sure, man. Let's go down the list, right? EGLD. What's up with that?
Smiley face.
Thank you very much for that awesome donation, dude. There we go, man. So cool. Smiley face. That was cool, man. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. So we got the request for E-Gold. Then it was one that said 88 TVT. Sure, man. 88 TVT. So I'm gonna skip the queue. ADA and a V-chain. Just gonna remove 2 spots from the bottom here. Then someone said to look at what?
Smiley face.
Oh,
Audience, say
dude.
it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that. There we go, man. One up. Yo, let's keep rolling, man. Hey, money for the people. Buenas noches. Name Danka. ¿Qué tal? How are you, man? PIVX on board. Oh, you're in the bedroom. And she's like, oh, interesting. Feeling better? Not really, Antonio. I'm actually pulling through in some meds right now. So I'm actually speaking soft. You guys cannot hear when I get excited because I can stream into this mic and I'll never go into the red because I do have a guard here to protect.
It's worth a smile and laugh.
Yeah, thank you very much for that, Mama.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Smiley
very much.
face.
There we go. One up, dude. Another smiley face. Let's do this one again, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you
Thank you very much for that, dude. I really appreciate it. One up. There we go, man. See, if I get really excited, I open this. I can scream into the mic, and it doesn't go above the yellow. So you cannot hear when I'm screaming, or how excited I get sometimes, because I put that just to protect the clip guard. So if I remove this and I start screaming, see me go into the red. So I'm doing this to protect your ears and
Smiley
mine.
face.
Dude, thank you very much.
Audience, say it
Again,
with me.
legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, man. There we go. One up. Oh man, it's like I'm really. You guys cannot hear sometimes how loud I'm talking on this end, particularly when the donations are coming through. The voice is kept at a very good level, and I do that to protect your end on the stream and the quality of the audio you get on your side. How about that AMP? How about that AMP, dude? So I don't think I'm missing anything between that. So AMP's probably gonna be the last coin. I'm gonna queue the other ones. Mambo, what's up?
I keep it going.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
How many times can you say legendary?
As many as is needed, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I shouldn't be doing that legendary so much though, because my voice is gonna get screwed. I'm gonna write daily coins just in case I'm able to pull through more than 15, but I'm not sure how far in this stream I'm able to do it, man. Trampus Hawk, thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate that, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary again,
Thank you
man.
very much.
There we go, man. Thanks so much for that kind donation, guys. I really appreciate y'all. So, AMP, awesome, dude. I put that there. Make sure I'm not missing anything else. Someone said RDD. Sure, let's do RDD. I'm not sure if I'm able to get to that one, right? So, I guess you know what? Yo.
Might as well make it a little higher.
Audience, say it with me.
Yo. Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, dude. There you go. I cannot be doing that legendary too much though. Spark point's already on the list, so I'm gonna move it up the queue. SRK. I guess this one gets written off the queue. Eagled. Sure. So amp Eagled, there we go. COVID? No COVID, man. I just screwed something up on last night's stream. Yo,
Audience, say it with me.
legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, dude. There we go. Went up. Andrew, hey, what's up, dude? We're gonna see a correction. I'm not sure yet. Bitcoin, I do believe we're gonna have a inverse head and shoulders. I'll explain that in a second,
Love
dude.
to see your channel grow legendary.
Andrew, thank you very much for that as well, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That's so cool. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate that. Yo, what's up, guys? Dude. Yo, Mamba, thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, dude. There we go. And I think I even tossed the hell to the king there, man. What the hell?
One
Yo,
more
I can't
time
get
for the
this.
people in the back.
Thank you very much for that,
Audience, say it with me.
dude. Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Guess he'll hop
There
on
you
the
go.
GO train also. Us. When will it stop? Nobody knows. Smiley face.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary,
Thank you
man.
very much.
There you go, man. Antonio Vasquez, thank you very much for that. Mama for life. Crypto was Andrew. Like your heart and Bitcoin Jack. You guys are amazing for the awesome donations, man. I really appreciate everyone. Let's see. Oh, man. Let's see if I can keep on going through this, man. MP, sure, man. I think that was already on the list. So, yeah, MP already put there. Someone said sand. Yo, Chris.
Feel
Thanks. I
better
appreciate
soon.
that, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go, man. One more coin to the bank. Thank you very much, Triz. I really appreciate that. What the hell? Okay. Got so many L's, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go, man. What up? I'm actually, like, this thing today is not full of water. It's filled with tea to the top, man. Like, a lot of tea and honey. I'm bringing out all the resources so I'm able to pull through the stream. So let's see. I haven't even started, man. Sand. All right, I'm checking, make sure I'm not missing anything. Eagle's already in the queue, so that's that. Crow. Sure, I'll see if I can get to it right.
At the Bitcoin Basculpt, KLSDHGJKL, SIG, LKSDG, LKSG, Magnus, Yalton, Stag, Sag, Clasetta, Sisri Joysock Joix, Pinjasp, Oix, Yazanois, Egoistag, Noip, No Pierre, No Pides, Yosip, Franya, Posh, Noise, Steph, No Bias, Noise,
It makes complete no sense what that thing is saying, dude. Yo, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very
Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate that, man. I'll give you 2 ups for that one, dude. That's so cool. Thank you guys for that. Let me I haven't even finished going through the list of what I need, dude. Sorry for the spam. No worries there, Pedro, man. This is a group of VNT. Sure, I'm not sure if I'm able to get to that one, but again, we're over a couple of coins that I want to check out.
Smiley face.
Oh, smiley face,
Audience, say it
dude.
with me. Thank you.
Legendary.
Legendary.
They crossed over. There we go.
Thank
There we go. One up. Hola, Willie. How's it going, man? Silica. Sure, man. Again, guys, today, short stream. My throat is killing me, so I'm going to really keep it to the coins that I said, right? Probably 15 to 20, maybe not more than that, so hell, we'll see if I can get to that one, right? It's not a good time to right now, I'm sure, man.
Smiley face.
Yo.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. Thank you very much for that.
My bad.
Oh, you're bad? Okay, man. What the hell, dude?
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There you go, man.
Legendary. Hype horn. Seamus. Legendary.
Are we at
Smiley
Seamus
face.
already? Yeah, we're already
Smiley
at
face.
Seamus level,
Sneering
man.
face.
Let's bring Seamus out, man. He deserves to be out now. He's been let out of his cage. So we already got the Seamus, man. Who was this in the last one? Craig, thank you very much for that, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get through the queue. What? Yo.
Smiley face.
Yo, guys.
Say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
There we go. Let's keep rolling, man. Shameless already. Yeah, it's shameless time. Sorry, man. I have not been able to get to the chat. I haven't even been able to get through the list. Vocal cord. I know, dude. I'm trying to not talk that much. It is just insane, man. I can hear just a couple stocks. Guy Freak, I'm not even sure I'm able to finish it, man. Yo, thank you very much for that. Love your heart.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. There you go, dude. Thanks so much for that. I can't get through this, man. I gotta stop this, man. My throat's gonna kill me. Yo, Bernardo Costa, how's it going, man?
What's up?
All right, cool. So I think I got most of the list. I'm gonna update it here on the queue. I'm actually gonna leave some dashes in between where coin 15 and the ones I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to do, right?
Smiley face.
Like your heart again with the killing blow here, man. Legendary, man. There we go. What the hell, dude? It's like so many freaking smiley faces. Oh man. Let's go with this, man. VT Eagled, EGLD. What else have we got to queue, man? Eagled. Oh man. That's so insane. AMP. That thing has 15 coins so far now because we got this one's to move up. So dude, let's move this here. Beta. What?
Smiley face.
Yo,
Say it with me.
legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go, man. What up? Yo, it's killing me, dude. 88. Sorry, man. VT. The hell? SRK. SRK is gonna get shifted or bumped, basically. Dude, what's up? What's up, Amar? Not a lot, dude. We haven't even able to get this show started because there's so many donations coming through. Thank you guys for the kind support that you give to this channel with your views, with your likes, with your time, and obviously with your kind donations. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for joining me tonight. Let's see if I already got this list correct. So let's go. 15. All right, so here's where the dashes are gonna go. And we someone said RDD. Sand. Crow. And BNT. And Silica. That's so crazy. I'm not sure if I want anything that's after the dashes. I'm not sure. We're gonna go on a one-to-one basis and see if I can move through those. What? Dude, I think it's stuck with
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Legendary.
Thank you very much.
There we go, man. You can't hear me? LLL, I know. I'm sorry. Oh, bro. Let me get through this, man. Let's start with the first coins, all right? We got some requests, but first I want to do Bitcoin because Bitcoin is moving, right? It has potential action to the upside. And then I'll jump into the requests, ADA, VT, and SRK. I did take notice of that, but there's something I need to check on Bitcoin that I need to show you guys, and it could be something that might play to the upside, right? Yeah. I'm not sure if that had a stroke or if leg here is okay in his end. Yo, it's crazy, man. Did you just copy paste that plenty of times? I want you to be curious if you copy pasted that so many times, or if you like actually typed it out. That's so crazy, man. Thanks.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go. One up, dude. Oh man. I know you're crying. I'm crying here too, man. It's so crazy, man. Anyways, let's try to get to market cap. Again, we're still going higher a little bit. That's fine. We're pushing down right now. We had bearish divergence still against the RSI, but nothing against the MACD. Against the MACD, we're shaking it off. So congrats. We shook it off against the MACD. No bearish divergence there, just against the RSI. potential for action to downside still there. Or we bought at 78.56. What's up with that, dude? All right, that one quick, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for the kind donation, dude. I really appreciate that. There we go. Why not? Awesome. This is for market cap again. Let's get a Bitcoin dominance real quick. At 62.51, moving in that 20, moving down. Bitcoin on the dominance. Sorry, this dominance. No, this is Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin dominance at 62.50 again, hitting the 20, breaking below there. That's fine. Bitcoin price at $47,728. What's up with that? Yo, what the hell, dude?
Time for some fancy headphones. 1.10000000 ETH.
Yo, what the hell, Montero, dude?
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Fatality, man.
Thank you very much.
Yes, dude.
The do the buy.
Do the buy, dude. I got headphones. You donated so kindly, man. I really appreciate that. You actually donated more than the headphones are worth, bro. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate that, dude. That is so cool, dude. Thanks for that.
Fatality.
It's there when I seen it, dude. It's so crazy, man. I know there's so many legendary donations last couple days, dude. That's crazy. For some reason, he does the L's a lot longer than he does the other ones, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. Thank you very much for that donation. One up. There we go, man. So cool. Let's keep rolling, man. Oh, man. Anyways, on Bitcoin, we're still looking for the bearish divergence against RSI, right? Like, we're coming up higher here. And we're definitely pushing lower here, dude. Dude, that was insane, dude. Thank you very much for that awesome Ethereum, dude. I really appreciate that. We're sitting over bot still at 72.80. So with that, we have potential for actually downside. That's fine. I'm going to actually shift the all-time high level to the new all-time high level, I guess. So where is it at, dude? Dude. 48,975. That's where we got to, right? 48,975. Whoops. There we go. Right. So now it's at the all-time high. We know what the target we're trying to hit, right? So let's go to the 4-hour chart. There's nothing else happening here on the daily. I'm not seeing anything else that's worrying me. If you want to look for some kind of support, we could be trying to draw some support from back here. It would be too far from the target. So instead of doing it like that, I would propose maybe going here and shifting this line to here and say this might be your short-term support. We've hit a couple times, I would guess, right? So 1, 2, 3. Maybe if I adjust, we get the 4th hit here as well, right? 4, 5. So this could be a support line, right? And that's the support line that I would be looking for Bitcoin to hit, maybe. Oh man, that's so crazy. Thank you guys so kind for making this opening legendary, man. Yo, it's crazy, dude. Thanks for that. You guys are gonna ruin me. Like my voice is so gone, dude. Oh man. Oh, dude, don't worry. Don't feel like don't feel bad. All donations are highly appreciated, dude. Thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank
you very much for that, dude. There we go. No, dude, I'm having a great time tonight. You guys are amazing, dude. You guys make every second worth it, man. I swear. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to like stop laughing so much because my throat's like killing me. I had this bearish divergence for potential action to the upside. We're moving up on that, right? So I'm not gonna be able to talk a lot through the stream. So I was trying not to talk a lot through the stream. Now I'm like having no choice. That's crazy. Again, guys, that stream is gonna be really short, so I might only get to the first 15 coins Like my throat, I couldn't finish the day stream today. So just so you can imagine how bad my throat was feeling. I can get through an hour, so I'm gonna try to push through. Again, high, slightly higher, high, low, possible, right? There's some strong bearish divergence being developed here. Not worrying too much about this yet. I'll show you why in a second. We could be doing a head and shoulders pattern on Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and that's what I'm trying to do here.
Wait for it.
Legend. Wait for it. Dare. It's gonna be legendary, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, dude.
Thank you very much.
There we go, man. So cool. Thank you everyone for the donation, man. Oh, dude. I know. We need voice for 55k, dude. I'm trying to. The donators challenge accepted. I know.
Challenge accepted.
That's precisely how it felt, man. Dude. What?
Wait for it.
Wait for it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legend. Wait for it. Dairy, man. I was gonna be legendary. There we go, man. Dude, what the hell, man? Oh, dude. Hello. Okay, we're sitting here. We're sitting here bought at 64.99. There's nothing here on the 4 hour chart except for this sorry, not hidden, this strong bearish divergence actually for potential action to the downside. So it could bring us down to a 20 again, and that could give room for what I'm going to show you in the 1 hour to not play. And this is why I want to show you in the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, if I zoom out a little bit, you might be able to spot this move. I'm actually going to make it a little bit larger so it's easier to identify, right? We're looking for a potential head and shoulders pattern. So, what's up with that? Yo.
Wait for it.
Wait for it again. Okay, I'm waiting for it, man. Legendary, dude. There we go, 1 up, dude. Yeah, you guys are making it rain today, man. So cool. Man, I hope I'm able to get through the stream. I'm not even sure how many coins I'm able to do now. Oh, dude. I'm looking at this. I already measured it earlier. We're within an area where it could be a valid head and shoulders. Look from here to here. We're looking at about 3.5% move. We usually want to have like between 2 and 4, 2 and 5. Not more than 5 though. More than 5 you would like borderline 8 at 5. But I'd say the shoulders are within a 5% of one another. You have a better shot of these pattern playing out. Right now we're reversing and we're pulling back, dude. So what, dude?
Wait for it.
Okay, I'm still waiting for it. Legendary, dude. Thank you very much. 1 up. There you go, man. Yo, thank you very much, Blackbeard here for that. It did Montera. And everyone that's giving donations. There's so many people giving donations. Montera, Blackbeard, like mainly Craig, Mamba, dude, Jake, Guy Freak, Chris, Tanker, Mount for Life. What?
Montera ain't got nothing on me. 1.998300000 ETH.
Is this for real, man? What the dude? Yo, that's insane, dude. What? Yo, what the hell, dude? I know, dude. Did you guys see that?
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank
you very much for that, dude. There we go, dude. What the hell, dude? That's an insane amount. What? I know, dude. That's the same thing I'm saying. It's like, what the hell, man? What the hell? Dude, that's such a huge amount. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. That's amazing, dude. Whoa. Damn, dude. That's like 2 Ethereums, bro. It's insane. What? Dude, what?
You waited for it.
I did.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Dude, there we go. 1 up. Dude, that's insane. I think you're going to be up there for the longest time ever. No one's ever going to beat that record, man. That's such an insane amount. That's such an insane amount, dude. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. What's up?
Good things come to those who wait.
Yo, thank you very much for that, dude.
Thank you very much.
Legendary, man. There we go. One up. Sorry if the sounds are clamping a little bit together. I think I'm like giving this machine a run for its money right now. Like, I don't think these buttons have been pressed so many times in a row. Dude, thank you very much for that, guys. I really appreciate it. And you made me laugh so hard. I'm like so grateful for all the donations you guys give this channel for reals. It's so cool. And so awesome to feel so appreciated. All like all the help, all the donations, all that helps a lot, man. And all the tips get shared with the main mods.
Smiley face.
Smiley face again. Of course I have a smiley face. Legendary.
Thank you very much.
There we go. Wow, dude. Oh, dude, so crazy, dude. Again, the donations. All the donations get shared with the main mods, right? Which in this case is Jake and Soka. So, what?
Can I get
Thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
There we go. What's Hoa, dude? Is that a project?
smiley face?
Yo. Again, so cool. Is it like he's not flying, dude?
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. There we go, man.
Thank you
Thank you very much for that. There we go, man. Oh, WA? Is that a coin? I'm not sure. I'd never heard about that one. I'll put it in the queue, man. I'll see what it is. Oh, man. Ah, it's so crazy, dude. Yeah, dude. Some like I'm saving a copy of all the videos. I'll like have a recording of that. That's so crazy, man. I know. The glass is so full, man. It's so cool, man. I emptied it the other day and it already got filled in like a stream and a half. That's so crazy. Like it never filled that fast. It's with heading up. Yo, dude, my cheeks starting to hurt too much. Oh, dude. Oh, man, that's so cool, man. Yo, it's so crazy. Oh, dude, everything is music to my ears. Your comments, your kind words, dude. Everyone that's here, man. Thank you for that. Legendary, dude. Thank you very much for that. There we go. One up. Oh, man, so many people watching. Thank y'all for joining us. We haven't been able to get through Bitcoin so far, but thank y'all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button. The sub. Thank you for joining me tonight. So I'm looking at this potential inverse head and shoulder, man. Dude, that's so cool. Thank you, everyone. Potential inverse head and shoulders. These are a purple line. I drew it today when I was off the air. That's why I put in a different color, right? I remember last thing we had here on Bitcoin was this strong bullish divergence reaction to the upside. What's up, dude?
The stage mark his throat.
I know. It's shot today, man. It's like Deadpool got stuck. There we go.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
There we go, dude. There we are. Oh, man. That's so cool. Thank you guys for the kind donations. I really appreciate everyone, dude. I will, man. Whenever I get the hats made, I will. I haven't gotten the time to send the design to the hat makers, man. Anyways, inverse head and shoulder to this bullish divergence from the selection to the upside. We're moving up on that. And remember I told you we were here last night, and I said if we felt to drop lower than this previous low, we could be looking for bullish continuation. We're starting to move up here by the time we were done, like 1 p.m. And as you can tell, we reversed. This was a resistance line, right? Look, resist, and then resisted here. And then we finally broke through on that bullish divergence. So we're bullish right now. What's up, dude?
L's for everyone?
Yo, thank you very much for that.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go, man. Yeah, it's crazy, man. MMP, you're not a loser, man. No one's a loser, man. Oh man, that's so crazy. Somebody else coming through the chat. That's so cool, man. Thank you guys for that, man. I really appreciate y'all. Somebody else. So cool, man. Dude, it's like definitely one of the best stream ever. I think it's the best stream ever, dude. Period. Oh, dude. All right, so I gotta start preserving the voice. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to do the analysis. So cool, man. Thank you, everyone, for that. Oh man, insane, man, insane. That's like.
PBZK PB PBZK PBZK KZZK PB PBZK PBZK
Adam Stump's real. I know, dude. I want to move through stuff. I'm just not able to get through Bitcoin, dude. Yo, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. There we go. There we go, man. Thank you so much for that. Dude, that's so crazy. That's so insane. I'm trying to move through stuff. I'm sorry, guys. It's not a regular stream. They're usually not like this. If you're here every night, you know this is crazy. Anyways, this is what I was looking at, right? This neckline, and we are rejecting below it. There's two ways to look. There's two ways to look at this neckline, and it's gonna depending on whether or not I want to anchor it to the I saw more. Thank you for being here, man. I have not been able to get to Bitcoin. My voice starting to go. So, okay, guys. Thank you very much for the donations. I really appreciate them. But what the hell, man? What the hell, dude?
Legendary man.
Thank you very much for that. Yo, legendary. And there we go. There we are, man. Thank you so much for that. Yeah, that's so cool, man. Okay. Please help me out a little bit. I don't want to, like, my voice starting to go, man. My wife is watching probably the first 40 minutes of the stream. She's always watching. She doesn't speak English, though, so she doesn't know what's going on. All she sees here is like the cling, 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 and the legendary. She's probably going insane. It's like, what's happening there? I know, my voice starting to go, man. Oh, dude, I want to get through some coins. Come on, guys. That's a good one more donation coming through. I'm waiting for it to play before I keep on moving, man.
Legendary man.
Legendary. Yes, of course it's legendary. Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that, dude. There we are. I really appreciate y'all, dude. Oh, man, that's so crazy. Dude. Dude. Thank you, Jack Frog. I really appreciate it, dude. When it comes up, we'll celebrate it, man. Probably the thing is like dying with all the tips, processing all the tips that just came through, man. Oh, man. Yeah, it's still not falling, right? Oh, dude, there we go.
All right, have a great stream, man. I'll let the people hear what they're here for. Hope I could make your day. Smiley face.
Thank you very much for that, dude. I appreciate it. Legendary.
Thank you very much.
There we go, man. You made more than my day. I think you made my month so far, dude. So thank you very much for that. Everyone's made the month so far, dude. Thank you everyone for the kind donations. Oh, man. Thanks everyone for the kind donations. I really appreciate y'all. This is a crazy stream, dude. All right, so the first 40 minutes I wasn't able to get through Bitcoin. That's so insane, man. Dude, I like your heart. Thank you, man. I'm gonna make an outro wall and I'm gonna plaster your name up there, man. And it's gonna say the lake of luck for your heart, man. Let's keep rolling. Very shy variant. Not very shy variants. What am I looking at here? The resistance line. So this could. What's up, dude?
Just when they thought I was done.
Yeah.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go, man. What up? So I cannot keep eating those benzocaine pills. I just can like take one every 8 hours. So, and my throat's not doing that better. So I gotta rely on the halls. Like, imagine how bad my throat's hurting. I actually have 3 packs of halls here just so I can be able to pull through whatever streams I'm gonna have. We're gonna lag very hard here. As a guest,
you guys.
yeah, man, if you want to come.
Done for real this time.
Dude, thank you very much.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. Such a kind donation. I really appreciate it, man. I know, dude. Oh, dude. And not being able to get like through Bitcoin like the first 40 minutes. That's so insane, man. What's up, Double B? If you haven't seen the stream, rewind and watch it from the beginning. Don't worry about it. You're not going to miss on anything. I'm not going to go more than 15 coins. Definitely. My throat's killing me. Guys, I'm sorry. Everything that's...
Or am I?
Oh, dude. It's so crazy.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. There we are. Thank you very much.
I don't believe that for a minute.
Oh, man.
I'm still here waiting for Spark Point, but keep it going. Haha, this more fun.
Thank you.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. Man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. There you go. Thank you very much. My memory facts and lacker for the last couple comments, man. Yo. When Like Hard says, I'm done, all I hear is this.
Maybe I am done.
Dude. Thank you so much, man.
Legendary.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go, man. I'm not sure if JRT got to the list. I know it went high. I know, dude. Oh, man. Who was it? Bob Mo, don't worry about it, man. The fact that you're here, it's payment enough, dude. I mean, the tips are great. I really appreciate them.
Actually, I think I can continue.
What the hell, dude?
Audience, say it with me.
Legend.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
There we go. Dude. Oh, dude. That's so cool, man. Oh, man, I'm sorry, Crypto Man 5000, man. This is not regular like this, man. It's so insane. I've never gotten that many donations in a day, man. Let alone I don't think the stream, dude. You guys know that the stream is usually not like this, man. Usually it's a little bit more to the point, but it's just been insane. I've not been able to get a word out. What's up, dude?
Okay, I gotta put the kids to bed. You have 30 minutes without me. Heart.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Oh, man. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Bitch Jedi. There's gonna be a dotted line there, man. My throat's shot today. I'm not gonna be able to get through a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna get through whatever I can. I think I'm gonna get through 15 coins today. That is it. I don't think I'm gonna have voice for that for any more than that, man. I'm sorry about that. Oh, dude, there's Jack Prog,
Right
dude.
on time. 0.000100000 BTC.
Yo.
Say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
It's Jack Prog. Thank you very much for the kind donation. I really appreciate it.
Love you too at Montera. Smiley face.
Oh, dude, thank you very much for that, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Yo, it's so cool, man. I gotta get going through the stream, and that's so crazy, man. Oh, man. Thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate y'all. All right, so let's keep going, right? Okay.
You can stop saying
Audience, say it
legendary,
with me.
man.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you guys for that. Look, okay, so we had the neckline. there's two ways to trace the neckline, right? One of them is to the body. Dude, I'm gonna try to like get through this now. Which we're breaking back below, so it could be a fake breakout. The other one would be if we use the wicks, right? But I want to go with the bodies right now. I'm not sure if this pattern actually gonna come to fruition. If it is, I'll trace something here real quick. We go from the lowest point to the highest point on that leg line of that neckline right there. And now put it as a measure move whenever we break. And that'll be our target, right? So 50,000 or somewhere around that area might not be out of the question for Bitcoin if it breaks this to the upside, right? That being said, we also have a support line here that is coming from the bottom part. So from here, like this, right? So this blue one, it's starting to get really cluttered, but this is a support line that we have here in Bitcoin, right? So let me adjust. There we go. We're having this as support, right? Look, wick once, wick twice, wick 3 times. If we manage to stay above this bearish divergence, I'm just going to draw in yellow now, finally. This is the one I called earlier, by the way, on the Discord. When I told you guys it had bearish divergence in the 1 hour. That was this one, right? So from here to here and from here to here. High to low. And high to low as well. So that is that strong bearish divergence. Potential for action to downside. And it is moving us down, but look, it looks like though we want to hold on to that support. If Bitcoin keeps this momentum, right, we could really be looking for that action to the upside. So I'm really hoping that Bitcoin's able to gain and capitalize on holding on to that support. That's just not going to be dependent on Bitcoin, right? So again, we don't have anything else. Low, high, negative, positive, low, high. Neutral at 56.51. Let's go to ADA, man. That's insane, man. I'm still like trying to get through the first part of the stream, man. What the hell? Sorry, guys, if I'm looking at a lot of the chat, man. This is crazy, dude. What the hell? Ethereum to 2K tonight. Yeah, that'll be awesome, dude. What?
Start the day with coffee and end the day with cryptocurrency. Smile.
Yo, that's legit, man.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that. I'm gonna stop saying legendary, dude. My throat's gonna go. I know, you're the bull, and we're in a bull market. So, ain't that cool, man? I actually tweeted that to Chang Peng a while back, but he never replied to me. So, CC didn't get back to me. Let's go to way down, man. On this chart, it said a wick to dollar. We're gonna check it and verify in the shorter time scales. We don't have anything bearish. We're still bought at 83.66. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Coming higher, we're going up slightly higher. We didn't get to $1. See, here on the 4-hour, it just says we didn't. So that's why I said we're gonna check in here. We had strong bearish divergence. We moved down slightly, held on to that support. It should be a fib node. Yeah, it should be the 786. So we're holding on to that 786 fib node. And again, going slightly higher. But remember what we've been saying, right? In a bull market, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. So with that in mind, keep that into consideration as you set up your trades. And again, right, high to low, and then also here, high to low. Low, high, negative, positive, and then negative, more negative, right? So we're creating some hidden bullish divergence here on ADA on the 4-hour chart. We're just starting to create it. I'm not sure if it's going to trigger yet. This could imply sideways motion or potential action to the upside. We're having it near our support. So it could be that ADA still manages to pump back up in the last 10 minutes. I'm not sure, though. It's not looking likely. But the next candle could come in bullish and try to get above that 786. It's still going to be a resistance, right? So let's see if we're going to be able to get above that in the next candle. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, man. Dude. Atmos. I know, dude. I know those two are pumping. I'm going to see what I can do, man, right? Bearish divergence section on the outside. We had this hidden bullish. Pumping us to the upside, so that's really good. Now here we're going high and slightly higher high. And then we're coming high to low here. And high to low here as well, right? So with that, we have that bearish divergence for potential action to downside. We started to break down low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side to lower point neutral at 45.27. That's gonna be for Cardano, right? We don't have anything bullish here on the 1-hour chart. We're really trying to determine if we want to go higher. So actually gonna get the mic closer. I hope you guys can hear me good here. because I'm speaking very, very soft now because my voice is starting to go 100%. So let's go to VT, man. I think I'm gonna be able to do the stocks tomorrow. This is so crazy. So I'm getting into the coins that came with donations. VT at 4.5. That's awesome. Let's go on the daily, see where we're at, dude. We're rejecting at 236. Which again is fine. We had the bearish divergence. We said it might not play out because we had this strong bullish momentum, right? And look at that. It's just going higher. So much higher, man. And this again, it's also going higher. I'm not sure if it's going higher than the previous high though. It's not going higher than this previous high over here. So we could still say that from way back there to here we have that strong bearish divergence, right? So it could be a possibility for action to downside on VET. We don't have it against the MACD, just against the RSI. And with that, again, possibility for action to downside, right? So let's get on to the 4 hour. We already know we're rejecting a fib. That's fine. Low, high, positive, more positive. And here we're coming high to low, I bet. Yeah, high to slightly low. So on that, we have that. Yo, what's up, dude?
You're beautiful. You're one of a kind. Smile more. Smiley face.
Thank you so much for that. Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go, man. Oh, that's so crazy, man. That's so crazy. Oh, man. We have this very divergent, strong potential fraction of downside. We're bought at 75.6. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Sorry, guys. Sorry, yeah, it's right on. So here we go. Oh, man. We're looking at this move here. This might be from the 4 hour chart. Yeah, it's from the 4 hour chart. I forgot the anchor there. Ah, dude, my mind's going. Here we go. Right on. So last thing we had here, again, we were looking for this hidden bearish. We had this hidden bullish. And we knew it was a chance we were not going to play out. We did manage to go up higher, and that's fine. And then we're also coming up higher here. So this one I'm getting rid of. It was a possibility. It's no longer there. That's fine. Then low to high, right? Look, we hit that 236 on the dot and rejecting. So again, we have good fibs, right? Having good supports and resistance is key if you want to be trading, because if you don't have good supports traced and good resistances traced, you're not going to be hitting targets, right? And that's where you want to have your areas of entry and your areas of value, right? So again, if you get to a divergence like this one, so if you get to a divergence, you get to a resistance like this one with some strong bearish divergence like we're doing here, it is very likely you're going to reject that level. And if you're willing to see where the price could go, then you would have targets to the downside, right? That would be primarily at 20. And if it wants to move forward, we can maybe find some support around this area, 37.78. And then if we break still below that area, we can still find support here at 0.32. Now, if it goes to a 20 and it bounces, if it tries to bounce from here, it doesn't have anything bullish right now, but if it tries to bounce from here, again, that 236 would be the primary resistance, and then up higher would have, no, it's not the 236, it's a 2618, dude. It's a 2618. I thought it was a 236. We're actually on the way up higher, dude, here. Lemmer, thank you for being here. I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching on Twitch.
What's up?
Oh, man, that's so crazy. What do you think of ADA? I think they have a lot of potential, dude. I think ADA can still go up much higher. I sound like an NPR radio host. Yeah, my voice is going, dude. I'm speaking very soft, and I don't have anything left, I think, on my vocal cords. So I'm gonna try to get through this, right? So again, it's just bought at 67.30, man. You guys are insane. You guys are crazy. I appreciate you guys. I love you all. Thank you for being here. Thank you for coming in here tonight. Let's move on to the next one. That's it for VT. I think they have a lot of potential, man. Right? I think ADA can still go higher, and VT can most likely also go much higher, man. On this chart, I don't have a lot of data going farther back for VT. Yo, what's up?
If you don't like this video, I don't like you.
Audience, say it with me.
There we go, man.
Legendary.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
There we go, man. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Yeah, hydrate, dude. I know. I've been drinking a lot of water and tea today, man. It's just not working as well, right? So again, on this chart, I don't have anything to go farther back. I'm anchoring from this high. I could come and anchor from that high over there at the beginning, right back here, and see where we're at. But I actually like this one because we're rejecting at 236. So I would need to go onto a VeChain and look for a chart with more data in it and see where we can go, right? Spark points right after this, dude. I got you, Mamba. Don't worry. It was just right after VT. Like, there was a request at the beginning of the stream for VT and Ada, man.
Hit the likes P, only 30 likes. Also Spark Point.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go. Anyways, that's it. That's it for this in the daily, right? Again, it has that very nice divergence there. Let's see if we can keep it going and keep pumping on it, right? Again, it's super bullish, so chances that the bearish divergence might not play out are there. On the 4 hour, we have also. Did you already do VeChain? Because I already have a line here. That's weird. Like, did I just lose my mind? Yeah, I think we did VeChain, so great. Why was I doing VeChain again, dude? It's okay. You guys broke me. I have no idea what coin I'm in right now. SRK, dude. Here we go. It's so crazy, man. Yeah. Dude, my stomach's hurting, dude. I'm laughing so much. On the daily, this is going insanely high, right? 1.3. That's it. It started at 0.002. So with that, let's go to the 4 hour chart. And high, and then high to low here, right? So again, you're starting to develop some bearish divergence here, strong on SRK on the 4 hour chart, right? So from here to here, and so that's one. Then up here, right, we're going up higher, so that's the motion that we're getting, moving down and then pumping back up. But there's not a lot to trace here for support or resistance. I'm not even sure we'd make it a valid retrace. Like, we could try to anchor for a valid retrace, but we'll determine that in a second. A few retraces, and then we're gonna go from the lowest point to the highest point and see where we're at on the fibs. There we go. Retracing here at 382, and then you know, I'm actually gonna move that over here so I can get better touch points and see precisely where we're at. And we're above, right? We did dip almost to a 50% retrace and bounce. So let's go to the 1 hour chart and figure out what we have there, man. So crypto is flinching anytime he hears any noise. I know. It's so crazy, man. High, higher, positive, more positive, and high, higher, high still. So nothing here. Low, high. And then we're coming down lower, right? This is a 1 hour chart. So we have some hidden bullish divergence. That's why we get that recovery. Again, we got it very, very close to that 50% retrace zone. And again, there is that strong bearish divergence. Moving back up almost to the previous 100% that we had on the 1 hour chart. But what I'm going to do here is actually going to shift it to cover the needs of the 1 hour chart because we haven't done that. So low to high. And that now you see we actually went down slightly lower than the 50%. And then moving up slightly higher again. So again, fibs, you want to trace them on the time scale that you're looking at. Sometimes it just happens that the ones on the daily manage to fit what's happening on the lower time scale. So I'm going to shift them that much. Again, SRK has just gone insane, man. I'm not sure how much higher it can go. Again, it's a new project. It could keep on going to the moon. But again, for me, when things start to move like this, you're catching a spinning train. There are chances that you get wrecked are higher than the chances you're going to make profit, right? But if we're in a bull market, it could be that this can keep on going higher and higher and higher still. And we'll figure something out for this project, right? But right now, it doesn't have a lot of data. And I'm trying to figure out what it actually can do after the moves it might make, right? Anyways, shameless, here we go, man. It's like all like in my ear and stuff. Oh man, that's crazy. Chris, man, just grab mana. Awesome, dude. Congrats on that. So yeah, SRK can potentially go up much higher still. Someone said OA, so I'm not sure if that was a project or not. I want to check it out. It's not cute. OA. Nope. It was OA. Yeah, that was a project, man. I think it was just someone on the tips, man. Anyways, let's keep rolling, man. What else do we have? Ethereum. Let's go check out Ethereum. Wow, we're just getting to the first 5 coins, man. It's such an insane stream tonight. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for making it awesome. You guys are amazing. This stream is nothing without you guys, for reals. I thank you all for being here, for the time, the watch time, the views, the likes, the subs. You guys are amazing.
Say it with me.
You guys are legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for being here. I really appreciate y'all. Oh, man. Again, here I'm looking for the bearish divergence. They just climb a little bit more there. And then we still have it here, right? So potential fraction of the downside still there on Ethereum. And it just made a new all-time high today. Or wake the new all-time high. It's up here. And the coordinates, I'm going to get in a second. It's 1839, so that's the new target, right? 1839. But again, Ethereum could probably go higher. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We had the bearish divergence. We broke down on that, found support at the 20, and managed to get back above that 1,729 area. High low, possible spots of high low. We don't have anything bearish, right? We didn't have anything bullish here either, so that's fine. We're just bouncing on support. Maybe the 1 hour might have something, but here we don't have anything. It's neutral at 53.23. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. I don't think BNB made it on the list tonight. Again, it's not that I don't want to do it. It's just that I'm not going to have a voice to do it. Remember when I said confirmation here? We didn't quite get there. We kind of flirted with this area. Right? We said this would give you confirmation for the potential double top. Not really looking like a double top right now. That's why I said potential. So we got to this area. We felt a drop. And again, we created this bullish divergence, remember? And that, boom, higher. And look at this. This is kind of cool. If we extend this line, this resistance, this support, right, that we had here, when we broke it, now it became a resistance. So when we hit it at resistance, we're moving back down on that, right? So I'm looking at here, high to low, right? And then we're gonna get the opposite on the MACD, right? Low to high. There you go. High to low here as well. Low to high, negative, less negative, and then low to high. Neutral at 43. Last thing we have is this hidden bearish divergence. That's what's putting that pressure for the price to go down. It wouldn't be weird if we see Ethereum hit at 1,129 again and try to see if we hold support. We'll see once we get there whether or not we are creating any kind of divergence. But right now, that movement down could be there, right? That's it for Ethereum. Let's go to RSR. I usually have 6 projects that I look at. I removed 2. I just left, what was it, 4 projects, man. I have tea here, dude. It's filled with tea and honey. You guys might not be able to see it. Let's see if I can put it here in the picture without spilling all over the place. But it's filled with tea and honey, dude. And tea with a lot of honey, man. It's really not helping a lot, though. Oh, man. Anyways, we don't have anything here on this. All right, let's go to the next one, RSR. Where's RSR at, man? RSR at 0.5. Or 5 cents. So let's go with 5 cents. It's doing good, man. Again, managed to go still slightly higher. I'm not sure if we still have this divergence, though. We have it against RSI, but I'm not sure if against the MACD we managed to finally shake this off. No, we didn't. So we're still tracking it. And again, sitting at 5.6 cents. Wow, this is doing really good, man. What? At some point in time today, it went up to, like, I'm not even paying attention to this project. This is just something I hold. And I bought us a joke for $100. And it's pumping a lot. So I'm kind of glad I almost doubled my money on this. It's so cool. High, slightly higher here, right? Up to there still, I think it's slightly higher. So with this, I'm just going to anchor this in the 4-hour chart. And see how this is going, dude. That's so insane tonight. Dude. The super chat comes out all weird because for some reason it takes so many decimal places. When people type in Canadian dollars, it just goes to like 1,000 of decimals. So I'm not sure. Like, yeah, it goes to like many decimals, man. It's so crazy. I'll try to fix that. Yeah, that's something to do with the code, I guess. Anyways, from here to here and from here to here. So with this, we have this bearish divergence also, right? Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction of the downside. We're starting to move down on that. We don't have anything bullish. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high on the RSI. Neutral at 58.83. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Ethereum isn't looking too good. Yeah, it's okay, man. I mean, it's very likely going to follow Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin manages to push a little bit more, Ethereum could push a little bit more. I'll recap it in a second. Dude, I just looked at it and I was like my mind's not here. I'm like, feel like I just going through the motions. This is such a crazy night. Like my mind's like like still in 1,000 revolutions up here. I'll recap Ethereum in a second, man. All right. So again, low to high, and then high to low, right? And here also high to low. Look at this, high to low. With that, we have that bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. We're moving down on that, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low. Again, low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, right? So the thing I think we could find something, it would be from this island, but then we have this small island. The question is, it just becomes a little bit of a mess to which island we want to respect or not. So I'm going to leave it as it is right now. What? Anyways, that's it for this on the RSR, man. Let's go to DVT. DVT's doing good. If you guys are holding DVT, congrats. Talked about this project quite a bit. It's sitting at 0.26 cents. Right, it had an incredible day today, man. Right, incredible day today. By the way, guys, we bought the headsets today. Great, they're coming out on Monday. Hopefully, Amazon will surprise me and they'll arrive on Saturday. They've been giving like an extra day of targets, and they've been delivering a day earlier than expected. So I'm gonna check that. I hope, like I said, the headset comes in earlier. All right, let's go to MACD and RSI here, man. Insane, dude. There we go, man. Columns, and let's get this here. And okay, right. So what's going on here, right? All right, so we're going low to high, and then negative to positive, more positive, and then high, higher. So here everything's good. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, great, low, high, negative, low, high. All right, nothing bullish, nothing bearish on the DVT 1 hour chart. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Again, on the 4 hour chart, we're coming lower with more negative momentum and lower still. Remember, we didn't have anything bearish here. Now, low, high, positive, slightly more positive. I just gotta pinpoint that there. I'm just gonna make it larger, man. It's gonna make it easier to see. See, definitely higher, right? So, and then also higher here. Neutral at 57.67. Let's go to the daily, man. On the daily, coming up higher, more positive, and higher. High, higher, high, then negative, more negative, right? And on that we have that that strong, that not strong, hit bullish divergence for actually the upside, right? So I've been looking at this one for the last couple of days. We told you guys that it had a lot of potential. This crash that came here on DVT is from some dude that just went insane and dumped on the project, but right now it's doing good. It's actually holding on, and again, with a lot of potential to the upside still, particularly once the Binance smart contracts come through, right? I'm gonna go to XLM now. XLM, here we go, man. That's awesome, dude. Let's dude, by the way, I wanted to see if I can do a hangout on the Discord, but I'm not sure what my voice the way it is right now. Jesus, guys, take it easy on the yeah, join us on Discord, links in the description. Thank you for being here and joining us tonight, and yeah, if let's go on the Discord and we'll see if we can do a hangout someday. I was talking with that about Jake was talking about that the other day that maybe I should do a day to hang out with people on the Discord. We'll figure it out. I mean, I'm not sure if this weekend's gonna be good. My voice is completely gone. So, but I was thinking about that yesterday and see if we can do a hangout. That's gonna be really cool, man. All right. Something weird is happening on the chat, I guess. So, Yo, Doe, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. What's up, dude? We'll check out the PIVX token on Binance. Dude, the list is full, and if you can tell by my voice, it's completely gone almost. So I'm going to try to get just through whatever I can. I don't have a lot of coins that I'm going to be able to get through right now, so I'm only doing 15. Again, it's a short stream. I'm sorry about that, man. I really wish I could do more coins. What I might do again, I post stream, I could like do some of the coins and put them on the Discord, right? So put the request on the Discord on the there's after AMP, there's like even more coins here. It's up there in the corner. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come in here, write down the projects, do the analysis here on the chart, and just copy and paste screenshots and tell you what's happening. I think that's how I'm gonna have to go through it. Because it's just like my voice is like completely gone almost, right? What's up, dude?
Pics for John, please smile.
Sure, man. I'll comply.
Thank you very much.
The dude abides.
The dude abides, man. We'll do it right after XLM. Because I already opened this one in the chart. So let me do XLM and we'll do PIVX right after. Thank you very much for the kind donation, dude. Oh, man. All right. All right. So high, slightly higher here. And then high to low, and high to low as well, right? From here to here. So again, strong bearish divergence, very slight here, but strong bearish divergence near. It's I think it's 100% over here. Yeah, 100% or 0% retrace. Again, moving down slightly. Let's go to the let's see if XLM on the 4 hour though. What do we have? Hit bearish divergence hidden. Move down slightly on that. That's fine. Oh, how negative was that? Everything here. It's good. Let's go on the daily real quick. Again, we're looking for the bearish divergence, like we said, right? We're in a bull market. Bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out, so we know that. And it just keeps on tracking. It's still there, right? It's still bearish divergence, still strong, and it's still implying action downside. Probably why we're failing to get above that previous 100% on this chart, right? So neutral, sorry, not neutral. Overbought at 75.17. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart again, we're looking for this bearish divergence here. Managed to bump a little bit more. Oh, this might be from the 1 hour actually, and I probably didn't anchor it, huh? Weird. And I just noticed that because the key's down there, and you know the counterpart, which is this one, and it has no anchor there. Interesting. There we go. This one's probably also from the 1 hour. See, there we go, man. A lot of stuff from the 1 hour came over. A lot of stuff from the 1 hour here as well. High, slightly higher. High. And on that note, we are getting this divergence against the RSI, right? I think the music stopped, so I gotta check it out. There we go. And on that, we're moving down. We're just bought at 63.43, man. Again, starting to flag a little bit. Nothing else happening here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. All this stuff, dude. It's not, I didn't anchor. Again, it was all going into the other chart to mess it up. So I'm gonna take a quick look at this. I think this will clear most of that. Yeah, I hope so. Anyways, we were looking for the bearish divergence. Moved down slightly, popped up again. Again, having strong bearish divergence right now. Potential fraction to the downside, and moving down on that. So right now, XLM on the 1 hour is bearish. Possibility of fraction to downside still to come. Let's wait and see how it's still gonna play out for XLM. On that note, let's go to PIVX, man. So with this one, right? I've looked at PIVX before. I'm not sure when. It's probably a long time ago. All right, so last time we looked at PIVX, we were looking at this. We had that bullish divergence direction to the upside. We're moving up. That's great, man. Look, man, no hands. We called it a while back, so we're just pumping up. When was this, man? On January, the beginning of January, probably. Awesome. All right, so high, possible. There is some strong bearish divergence happening against the RSI, but nothing against the MACD. Against the MACD is very clear, man, right? So from here to here, let's get this on the daily only. Here we go, man. And let's get the party started. Here it is, man. Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside. Moving down on that. Now, low, high, native, less native, or native to positive, and then negative, or low to high on the RSI. And with that, we're having nothing here. Besides that strong bearish divergence, that's putting the price actually downside. The 4 hour might have some bullish divergence here, and we could be pumping on that. So let's go there, man. Aaron Matthew, dude, I already looked at the data. I'll do it on a recap, man. Right? Towards the end of the stream, I'm going to go through 15 coins, and then I'm going to recap whatever you guys want at the end of the stream, right? Brent, you're crazy. What the hell, man? I guess today I'll say that. Man. Next targets for PIVX. Yes, man. I'll give you one quick second. Let me go through this, and I'll give you the targets. Let's zoom out here. Let's see where it's at, right? Because I haven't seen this in the long term. But okay, so if I cannot fib it from the long high point because we would not be making a valid retrace by any means. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to fib something in a something where we can consider it to be a local high, and I guess I can consider this to be a local high. And then this might be the local low that we're looking at, and that could give us some targets, right? So let's go high to low here real quick, and I just gotta zoom in to be able to see this. I just need to see where the candle closes, right? So here it is. There's a lot of wicks though, right? So the candle closes here, and the bottom should be somewhere around there. Let's move that dot over there, and let's keep moving here. We'll be there. Yeah, that seems to be the bottom. So, all right. So from high to low, and again, using this as a local high, we're seeing that we're hitting that 50% area, and we're slightly below it right now. So we did wick to that 618, retraced, and we're trying to hold on support at that 50, right? So if PIVX loses that 50, there's probably there could be some support around this area. I haven't checked for it. Sorry guys, I zoomed out quite a bit there. I'm trying to see if there's something. Look, Alt-H. I'll just draw this line real quick, soft line, we'll call it, because I'm not sure if this is where the support's going to be at, but this is an area that I'm looking for potential support. I'll tell you why in a second. Let's let it go into the daily and make it a solid white line, right? There we go. I'm going to try to pinpoint it in a second, but if you look back here, right, this is an area that we were looking for support more or less here, right? We wicked it a couple times. Here we wicked it as resistance, almost spot on, right? Here we wicked it as resistance again, wicked at resistance, right? Wicked at resistance, wicked at resistance, and right now, you know, burst through it, and so there could be a little bit of support zone around this area from way back here, right? So that's what I'm looking at, a line maybe around that 56 cent mark. Right now, sitting at 61.33, and again, target to the downside primarily would be here. If we move still farther below that area, we could be looking at some support here at the 20 moving average, which right now happens to be where the 382 is at. So there you have double support there, right? So it's a good chance you might try to hold support. Now, if you stay above that 50% and try to move higher still, your next target will be that 618 at 71.90 cents, right? So again, very nice stuff happening to the upside as well. So Ethereum good to buy now? Like, are you gonna dollar cost average or are you gonna trade it? I mean, this is a very personal question. So again, if we're in a dollar cost average, yeah, you can buy a little bit right now and keep on buying as it keeps on moving. But again, entirely up to you, man. I cannot give you advice. Here we go, man. Seamus is being weird today. Here we go. So let's keep rolling, man. I think that's what we have here on the daily. I'm gonna go to the 4 hour real quick and check it out. Anyways, high, positive, high, low, positive, high, low, right? So there is that. There's nothingness here. There's nothingness. Do you remember how I told you it might be some divergence here on the 4 hour? It's down here, man. I was looking for the bearish first. I didn't see anything bearish. Oh, my mind's still like floating around. little bit. Dude, that's like I'm still thinking about the beginning of the stream. That was so freaking insane, dude. You guys are cool, man. You guys are amazing. So freaking crazy, dude. What the hell, man? Kind of like a Bitcoin. Yeah, man. I can do it on a recap. Oh man. Yeah. Right on. Let's keep rolling. So again, we're getting that movement tops at high, low, plus. Yeah, we're neutral at. We're not neutral. We're neutral at 59.87. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Low, high, positive, high. Coming up higher here, coming lower, right? So again, here on this last bit, I'm looking for that bearish divergence, right? So there's one from here to here. And in a second, I'm gonna look for patterns, right? So again, usually when I'm just going through the charts quickly, I'm looking for divergence, but on this one, I'll give you a little bit more. Let me zoom in here a little tiny bit more. Ah, man. Yeah, definitely slightly higher still. So from here to here as well. From here to here as well. And from here to here as well, right? So with that, we have that strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. And we're moving down, hitting that 20 and trying to find support. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish right now. Neutral after the 6.39. What I'm looking at here is the support line. Where's that support line, right? So could be somewhere around this area, right? Look at that. Support, and support. So we're hitting a support right now. That's what we're failing to break. Now that bearish divergence, if it breaks below this line, then I'm just going to change to blue right now. We would be looking for a potential action to downside still, right? So again, that could trigger a move to that 56.23 cent mark, right? Looks like I need a tip pull or not a tip jar. Yeah, I can make the tip jar bigger. I don't think it'll look too good on the screen though. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Right, so that's it for PIVX right now, right? And again, there's nothing bullish on the short term, not even hidden bullish. So I'll be a little bit cautious getting into this because you're right as support. If you break support right now, you could be looking for moving downs. I mean, unless you really don't care about that move down, that's fine. You can get into it. But for me, it's like, okay, there's a chance we might break something and we could move down on that, right? So wait for some kind of that bullish divergence to develop before actually where to get into this. Trying to see if there's anything else I'm missing here, but I don't think I'm missing anything else. At least not if I zoom out. And let's go to the 4 hour just real quick and see. That resistance at the 4 hour looks so much different, right? Here, the resistance will be going on like this, maybe. All right, now we'll use the bodies here because we don't have a lot of data, but look at that, right? This will be your resistance line. So again, different time scales would provide you with different supports and different resistances. It just depends what you're finding or trying to find. Again, like I've said, charting is very subjective, right? It's charting is very subjective. It really depends on what you're looking for. So if you come in here with a bullish mentality and trying to find bullish indicators, you're gonna find them. If you come in here, sit down and look for bearish indicators, you're gonna find them, right? There's always an indicator that's gonna be there, so you're gonna be bullish or bearish, and it's just gonna give you that validation that you're looking for. And that's not what trading is about. You don't want to have validation. You want to know you're looking at data, so you have to process the data and try to like not look for something bullish just so you can convince yourself and say, look, it was bullish and I went with it and then it was wrong. That indicator doesn't work. You know, if a lot of the indicators are telling you it's bearish, it'll probably be bearish, right? That's not the case here. I'm not saying this for this project. I'm just talking about in general trading, right? So again, don't try to look for, or don't try to force data on a chart. Don't try to look for stuff that's not there sometimes. And don't try to validate your trading with just having something, right? Like say, oh, this is going down because of this, right? You'd say to pump and dump. I doubt it. Rick, thanks for being here on Periscope. Yeah. So, dude, someone asked something earlier about GRT. I'm not sure, did we? I'm not even sure if GRT got on the. Yeah, GRT's on the list. It's gonna be after ENJ, right? So we're gonna look at it in a second, man. Engine. Let's go here, man. Brent, you're crazy, bro. Right, so engine. Head bullish, pumping. We're extremely bullish. We got the target. We're rejecting that 618. Right now, the only thing we have going on here, it's this, right?
You Martin, can you do $GRT? It's flying.
Yeah, man, just let me finish this one. I'll go right to it, Rex. Thank you very much for the kind donation.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much, dude. That's it. One up, bro. Let me move through this one quickly. I think we have a lot of the stuff ready for this one, so I don't think it's gonna take me that long to go through it, right? And we also have it here, right? And this, it was actually an X coin. You didn't really need to tip for it, dude. I was already saying that after ENJ GRT was next, but yeah, thank you for the awesome donation. I really appreciate it, man. So again, potential bearish divergence. Let's just go to the 4 hour, man. Up higher, higher, and higher still. So nothing here. Here on this last bit in the 4 hour, from here to here, and from here to here, we have that bearish divergence for potential action to the downside, right? So again, I'll just do this real quick. Shift this to the 4 hour chart. There we go, man. And then shift this to the 4 hour chart as well. And there we go, right? So again, this is what I'm looking at right now. It's so great. Neutral. Sorry, bought at 69.04. That's it, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart, we're going higher, more positive and higher, right? Here, I'm just looking for the hidden divergence, see if we have it. Yeah, we might be making it. 0.0537 negative and then 0.0548. So we're flirting with it. We don't quite have it declared, but it looks like we want to hold on to it and probably make that divergence. Remember, this divergence can keep on dropping for a long time, and we can keep on tracking it. So I don't put a lot of weight into it. Wait for maybe something else to develop here before I actually make a call. But right now we're making this hidden bullish on the 1 hour chart. That's it. I'm gonna move on to GRT because there's a lot of people saying that it's going to fly, man. GRT $2, man. Oh no, I don't look at GRT like that's the graph, the one we look at, right? The graph. I know GRT is a graph, but that's how I have it here in the chart, and that's how I know it's this one. Oh man, let's look at GRT, man. It is moving up quite a bit, dude. It's already reclaimed. I think we already got above the 3618. Yeah, 3618. Great. Now we have the 4618 to look forward to at $2.62. Awesome, bro. Look at what happened, man. This is so cool. It's so cool, man. Is it automatically adjusting? There we go. Look, we're rejected spot on at that 3618. Moved down. I don't think we created anything bullish here, man. Negative, less negative, right? We weren't even creating anything bearish, just some pullback. That's fine. And look at this, it just went insanely high, dude. Right now, using that 3618 as support to bounce higher. So it's looking really good in the 1 hour. That's insane how good this project is flowing, right? Look at this. Hit that support at the 2618. Popped, rejected 3618. And again, see why having good fibs is key and why having good supports and resistances is key. We have areas and targets that we want to hit. And we know that we're very likely going to have that support. Look, we resisted a couple times, very close to it, right? So again, it's an area. So a couple dollars on, a couple dollars off, you're still good. You're a fraction of a cent, right? Again, found that very nice support, popped, resisted, popped, breaking through, and now holding support. So very, very nice moves. I like what GRT is doing on the hour. Going higher, more positive and higher. We don't have anything bearish. Again, we're in a bull market. We established that, dude. This is going up insane. Andrew, you're probably really happy, dude. If you're still here, Andrew, you're probably really happy about this because it's going insanely high, bro. 75% and then 25% still, dude. If you add them up combined, it's more than 100%. Dude. It's so crazy how much this is pumping, dude. 118% pump, dude. That's insane. In the last 2 days. So very, very good for GRT, man. Again, guys, Trampus, you bought the graph for pennies. That's awesome, dude. Yeah. Would you get into GRT now or too late? Oh, dude, I do believe for me, I believe it will be too late. Apostolic Mind, you got wrecked. Oh, that sucks, bro. People say it's not late for GRT. Some people would say it's late for GRT. For me, Dude, Andrew, congrats, man. If you got into GRT and you're doing good, there you go, man. Congratulations, everyone. I hope you guys are doing good on that. Let's keep going, man. Ren, you're saying it's not too late. Ready to get. Yeah. Look, for me, we're going up too fast. There has to be pullback. We're not getting the pullback, right? So the chances of pullback happening are bigger. Although we're in a bull market and it's extremely bullish, there could be pullback and there's a chance of that. Like I said, you're chasing now, right? You could be buying into the FOMO, and with that, it could come some pullback. Again, I'm not saying that we're high or gonna FOMO or we're gonna pull back right now. I'm just explaining you what could be happening, right? It's making all-time highs. Awesome, $2.29. Congratulations, man. Not that one. That one. There we go, man. Ren on the 15-minute. Yeah, let me get through some stuff, Jake, and I'll check out Ren, man. I'll toss it in because you're always here, man. So I'll do that one real quick. Just Ren on the 15-minute. Let me go through some projects though, right? So yeah, it's going all-time highs. That's fine. I'm not holding any GRT. If you guys got into this, that's so cool. I'm not sure if I want to get into this, man. You know, it's going extremely high, extremely fast right now. There's a chance that it might be it could be due for a pullback. So again, you know, you're chasing a speeding train. There's bigger chance that you're gonna get wrecked right now than if you would have gotten in way back here at a good area of value around 27 cents or 45 cents, or even here at 75 cents a couple days ago, right? Right now you're getting it at near it's all-time high. You're buying at the top, man, right? So you're buying at 100%. You're buying no discount. Yeah. We'll see when the next dip comes, man. Again, right now it's on target to hit the 4618, and after that, I don't think I have any fibs to the upside. So 2.62, $2.62 would be the potential next target for GRT. Let's go here again. Look at that, very nice. Holding that support, pumping above it, and moving through. Nothing bearish here. Again, overbought as hell at 93.75. But again, we also know that being highly overbought a market and strong bull markets stay strongly overbought. So I mean, it really kind of loses its meaning, right? If it was just regular motion, we could depend a little bit more on it. But right now, it could be really looking like you wouldn't care about it being overbought. You could try to keep on pumping. Hey, Kareem, about to say, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. My voice is gone. I would suggest, hey, you go check out the first 40 minutes of the stream just so you know why my voice is gone. It's so crazy, dude. Again, here we are starting to develop now. Some bearish divergence, dude, on the 1 hour, right? Here we go. High, slightly higher high. And again, big chance it might not play out, right? Because, you know, we are on a bull market, but it is here. Again, if you're worried about losing value here, yeah, if you're worried about losing value here, because you can turn back down less than 140 retraces. Yeah, we'll see, man. I mean, no royalty music, dude. You get copyright strikes from YouTube. That's why we don't play royalty music. We just play royalty-free music or copyright-free music. It's not that I don't want to play regular tracks, right? You get copyright strikes. Your videos get demonetized. You get copyright strikes, and then you can even lose a channel. So I'm not looking for that. That's why I'm not playing copyright music. Not because I cannot afford it, because I don't want to get a copyright strike and get the channel taken away. So that's the reason. Anyways, we are having this bearish divergence, right? Again, it's starting to, this new positive momentum is starting to build. It can go on building higher and get rid of it. Again, it's extremely bullish. So just be careful with that. Right. Dude, I'm not sure how that works. I would have to check out with YouTube how that works. I'll probably have to get a licensing agreement or something so I could play it, and then every time I get a copyright strike, I'll have to go fight it and tell them, look, yeah, I have the rights to this song. Here's the agreement. And then it'll take a couple, 30 days for them to remove that copyright strike. It's insane. I'm not sure if I want to get into that kind of trouble. What's happening with GRT? That's what we're looking at right now, dude. It's going insanely high GRT, right? Again, boom, bearish divergence. Again, watch out for this, right? This could be the bearish divergence that moves it down. Who knows? But right now, we're just looking and know that we have that. If you're worried about losing your money and taking profit, set up a stop loss, right? Don't be greedy. When you're greedy is when you start making bad decisions and you lose your money, right? That's for GRT. Before I keep on moving, I'm gonna go to Bitcoin real quick. People are saying it's dumping. Oh my god, it's dumping. Oh my god, it just lost $700 today. It's so crazy. Again, guys, yeah, we're losing that area, right? The bearish divergence seems that it's kicking in right now. It's just moving down below this support. If you don't know what this is and what's going on with this chart, don't worry about it. I was looking for a potential head and shoulders, which we could still be on this shoulder, right? I mean, it could be that the neckline shifted and it's going there, right? Right, that could be the neckline. This one here, just like this one here wasn't the neckline, right? This could be the neckline. So we could be that we're still within that head and shoulders. But this bearish divergence, it's certainly breaking us below this support here. I just highlighted. I know there's so much data here, man. I'll go to this chart real quick just to draw some of that stuff cleaner. But that divergence can break us below. It's breaking us below this area, right? Right, that divergence from here to here. Breaking us below this line I just drew. With that, we're getting that action to downside. So on this Bitcoin chart here, right from high to low, we're also just haven't hit that 1618 at 48,070 and then some, right? We're trying to get above that area, but we're failing to stay above that 1618. That's pretty cool. We haven't come to this chart in a while, and we just noticed that we're getting above some interesting fibs, right? So again, right below that area, still have a couple minutes to go. We could pull back up and try to get above that line. Again, this blue line here. Again, I know this chart's starting to look very messy, but we have a lot of things to look at here, right? The head and shoulders. I might move some of this stuff to another chart, so tomorrow it will be cleaner. But we're on this chart, and I was trying everything here, man. Too late to get into GRT. Double B, again, it's entirely a personal question, man. For me, I would say for me, I would consider it too late for me. But if you want to get into it at that level, that is fine. Again, I'm not giving advice here, right? I'm just like, on my end, I would say no, it's too expensive right now. I'll wait for some pullback to happen before I actually buy some. You're buying at a premium. You're buying all-time highs. Chance of it going down at an all-time high are bigger than it going higher, right? So you'll laugh if the graph hits $10. That's fine, man. I'm okay with that. For me, the risk right now, the risk-reward ratio is not there, right? I know, it's crazy, right? That's what I was saying. Oh no, it's going down 700. I mean, and you know, I cannot like really make a lot of fun of that because I don't know what that person entry level is. So he might have just gone in and he's probably over leveraged, and that could be part of the reason that they're worried about it, right? You would lose your position. Oh, it's crazy. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna wait for a little bit of pullback. I might not get it, and that's fine. There's gonna be other projects. Again, guys, the graph is not the only project in the crypto sphere. It's just the one that is moving a lot right now. You can wait and go get another project. There's plenty of projects out there. You can get into other ones. If you miss the boat on one, don't fuzz about it or dwell or go chase and get wrecked. Jake's over leveraged and Ren. All right, Jake. I know you gave me a donation early, man. I'm going to go check out Run real quick just because you're over leveraged and I want to see how that's doing because you said the 15-minute chart. So again, guys, sorry, after Ren, I'm going to move on to Adam EOS VT and we'll see what's happening there, right? Ren. All right, let's go check Ren real quick here on the 15-minute chart for Jake because he's over leveraged. Oh, not good, man. Let's see. High, low, positive, high, low, right? Nothing bearish here, man. Low, high, negative, negative, less negative. So nothing bullish on this one here, but we do have it against the RSI. What's up, dude?
Good night, bro. Great stream. All the best.
Trampus, thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate that kind of donation, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that, man. There you go, one up. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it, man. Oh, dude. And then here I'm looking at this move, right? So from low, right? So there's some hidden bullish. Again, hidden bullish is not the strongest indicator of trend change. It could just mean that we're going to stall a little bit or maybe get action to the upside, right? But again, it's very easy for it to be negated, right? It could drop more and we no longer have it, and that's that, right? That's all she wrote. When that happens, we are probably going to create some divergence against the MACD, right? I just noticed that the mic's on the stream. What? Oh, just gonna Jake if you longed Ren. I thought it was Jake saying I'm toast. Oh no. That's awesome, dude. It's so cool that GRT's still pumping, man. Again, I'm glad for you guys if you got into that. It's so awesome. Anyways, here, if this drops a little bit more, right? Let's say to here. There's chances that we're still going to be going from here to probably less negative momentum and create some strong bullish divergence. Still yet to be determined though, right? But I'm not going to be banking on that right now. I'm not sure what price you're getting, Jake. Yeah, again, I'm like the 15 minutes not giving me the best read right now, right? So I'm going to go to the half hour real quick to see what we get there. Low, high, negative, or negative, right? Again, same story, but here we have that hidden divergence against the MACD and the RSI, right? So there it is. Neutral at 43.81. And with that, we have that hidden bullish divergence. That's it, man. It's just hidden bullish divergence. I wish it had something stronger to say action to the upside. I'm not really looking at this with a lot of strength right now. Are we hitting support? Yeah, it looks like we're trying to hit support. No, we're actually below this area, so... And this could also be a potential double top here, right? Again, potential, we haven't broken the neckline. You know, looking like this, one top, two tops, right? Adam and Eve. With that, we're currently looking at around 17% drop from current target. That'd be a line here, and a 17% drop would get us to, let's see, from here to, well, let's go with a 15% drop. That might be the target. 79 cents. If we confirm breaking below that, we can confirm breaking below that confirmation line, but I'm not sure what your liquidation area is. So again, dude, not looking the strongest right now. I mean, it could give us a surprise and bounce, but it has that hidden bullish, but again, it also has that potential head and shoulders. So for me, it's high risk right now. Let's, someone said the graph is still making all-time highs. That's awesome, dude. You can still go and make an all-time highs, right? I mean, the graph again. This is not the graph we look at. Ah, dude, why is it not the... It should be that one, man. Is it? Oh, it's because we're in the 30-minute. That's why. Here we go. Again, still pumping a lot, man. 238. Great, man. It's doing good, man. Or like I said, it's trying to head to 4618, right? At $2.62. After that, we're going to try to figure out new areas to target this because it's some price discovery, man. It's making all-time highs. And again, it's doing really good, man. What is my favorite altcoin? Well, my favorite altcoin right now, it's I would have to say DVT because I'm heavily invested in that, man. Heavily invested in that. You'll love to hear my opinion on EOS? Sure. I'm not sure we're gonna get. Yeah, we're gonna get two EOS and two coins. So Atom and then EOS, right? Let me move on to Atom. Down. Let's go down here on the daily. we don't have anything. It's also making really highs here. I'm not sure if these are all-time highs for Atom. At least in this chart, it would be all-time highs. But at $18.32, again, getting above that 2618, right? High, higher, positive, high, higher. Overbought at 85.30. Nothing here that is bearish. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, we probably have some bearish divergence from way back here, though. Remember this double bottom that we said? Actually, the downside, we already hit that and met and exceeded, so that's fine. It just kept on rolling, man. It's like going and going and going, like the Energizer Bunny. Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum's pretty good. EOS next one. No, yeah, EOS next. Coin do we look at? I'm not sure if it's gonna be next moon. Mon. No mon. Hello, man. Hello. Sanka, you dead? Yeah, man. Y'all remember that movie? Cool Runnings. That's a old movie, but it was a good movie. Anyway, strong bearish divergence. Section of downside. Overbought at 73.73. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. What is a good entry for ADA? Dude, Ghost of Sparta, you gotta determine that, man. I mean, it breaks down to other questions, like what return are you wanting to have? What's the chance that it might actually break down from current price level? Versus what's gonna be your risk-reward ratio, right? How much profit are you willing to take? I mean, are you gonna buy it to hold long term? If you're buying it to hold long term and you don't care about the returns, you shouldn't even be asking that. You should just be buying it no matter what price, because you believe that in the long term it's gonna go higher, and then you should just dollar cost average, just buy more every time. Either that goes down or goes up, you just keep on buying. At the end, you'll have a really good average value of the project. If it keeps going higher, you bought some at low levels and just add it to your position. And if it goes lower, you can always average down, right? So you can keep on buying down, and you'll have a lower average entry level for whenever it pumps. You can also get out earlier and not be waiting for it to get to this high again. So again, the question's entirely up to you, man, right? Ethereum is flying. Yeah, I'm waiting for that. I'm gonna go check out Ethereum. We didn't do that recap. I actually skipped it. We're gonna check again. Ethereum that has that potential inverse head and shoulder, right? Sorry, Bitcoin has that inverse head and shoulder. Yeah, that's it for Atom, right? There's some bearish divergence there. Just watch out for that. EOS, and then I'll go check out Ethereum because I did say I was going to do EOS next. So EOS. EOS at 4.34. Higher, positive, less positive. Great. Look at EOS. Look at EOS. Doing things, man. It's rejecting I think it's the 3618 that we're actually rejecting out there, man. It's so insane. I'm starting the 1 hour. That's fine. You know, I'm gonna work backwards on the chart. I usually start in the daily and move back, but you know, it's gonna work exactly the same. Went back down and hit the 2618 and some other line that we have here, man. Maybe the 4 hours is gonna let me know what I'm looking at here in the chart. Yeah, here we are. We actually I have different fibs here, so I'm actually gonna fix this. So for some reason, some of my fibs did come off wrong. This one I don't need, 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 and this one I don't need here. I need this one, and this one. There we go. That's why it was getting a little bit confusing there, man. I was like, where are we at, dude? We hit that 1618. That's great. We're retracing a little bit. That's fine. A little high. And let's go here, visibility. Just in the 4 hour, that'll be great. And look, high to low, right? So strong bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. We have it against the MACD and the RSI, and that we're turning around, breaking below that 618. But again, if we look at a trend line, and again, it's something I haven't talked a lot about, trend lines, right? This could be one way to draw it if you're using the wicks. For this one, I'm going to keep it tighter. I'm actually going to go with the bodies, and I'm going to go with the body here and the body here, right? And with that, look at that, we're much closer. It looks much tighter. We actually hit 1, 2, 3, and every time we've hit that support, we've bounced. The question is, when we hit it this time, are we going to be bullish enough to still bounce and get above that 1618? If we are, we could still be looking for higher as a value, right? Double B, I'm not sure, man. I like it, dude. I like Ethereum, bro. Bitcoin price prediction 24 hours from now. What? That's awesome, dude. Let's go to 1 hour chart again. Strong bearish divergence section. Downside moving down, right? Low, high, negative, less negative. Low, high. Nothing here that is bullish right now. Just that bearish divergence in EOS. I'll go to Ethereum real quick, and then after that, we'll do VT, equal, and AMP, right? Someone said Ethereum was supposed to be pumping or reversing. Nope, still dropping. You lied to me. Oh man, that's it. Nothing in Ethereum. Let's go to VT. VChain. Did you say you were? No. DVT with a V, lowercase v, like victory, right? Yeah. I like that project. They have a good community. That's why I'm there. Actually, I bought into the project when I met the community, and then after a while, I became part of the marketing DAO because I really like what they were doing. So I got involved with them, and I don't talk about the project here because I'm on their marketing DAO. I talk about the project here because I own it, and that's the only reason I look at the chart. I've been looking at that chart way before I was in their marketing DAO, and I like it, dude. I'd say it's a good project. I think it's gonna have a lot of potential. So, and so far it's doing good. Actually, we gave away for our 1,000 subscriber stream $500 worth of DVT. A week or days after we gave it away, it was worth $1,500. That's how much it had gone up. Right now, at current prices, it would still probably be more or less the same. But with Bitcoin still at a higher price level, it'll probably be worth a little bit more. So we gave a lot of DVT here on the stream. We also gave out some DVT on $2,500. On the 2.5 thousand subscriber giveaway. VT, let's check it, dude. Let's go check your VT. Bearish divergence strong, moving down, hitting that 20, finding support, pumping. Great. Did we just look at this one? I think we just finished DVT, man. I was looking for E-Gold. I think I just lost track of this. My mind's not here right now. There we go, man. E-Gold. Why? Oh, here it is. That's why I couldn't find it. Let's go on the daily, man. Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate that. It's just insane tonight, man. Isn't it a crazy night? If you guys weren't here at the beginning of the stream, go check it out. It was so freaking crazy, man. Like, for reals. Like, my voice has been going for most of the stream. Yeah, we have targets. We can check it out in a second, man. Again, E-Gold going extremely high. We're starting to retrace a little bit. I'm not sure we're going to be doing a valid retrace by any means, but, you know, we'll give it some fibs and see what we're doing, man. I think, yeah, we're hitting that to, I'm a little bit surprised, honestly, to say they're hitting that 236. I wasn't sure we're not gonna hit it, and we just hit spot on this one, holding support, so that's good. We're hitting a retrace level. I'm trying to hold on to that. Oh, we bought it 63.66 on the other side. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Again, we have bearish divergence here, right? Look, high to low, strong bearish divergence. For potential action to downside, high to low, low to high, right? Look at this, low to high. And then high to low here as well. So with that strong bearish divergence, action to downside. Try to pump slightly more. I'm not sure if we got a higher than the previous high. Ooh, we just got sideways. All right, so here we're going sideways. And with that, we have medium bearish divergence, right? And medium bearish divergence means that we're gonna get action to the downside, man. From here to here, and from here to here, right? You're here on that 1K last night. Oh, dude. Yeah, you were also here on the crazy stream tonight, man. That's insane. Dude, like my cheekbones still hurt from laughing so hard earlier. Dude, it was like really crazy stream. Like I think about it and like it's just like it started like with a lot of fun with the small donations and smiley face and all the L's and you know everything that was going on with that. All of a sudden it just turned insane, dude. Right? Montero gave an insane donation. And then Lackveer gave an insane donation, and then it's just insane, dude, right? And then Gavin gave an insane donation. It's just been going insane, man. Oh, you can watch the replay, bro. It's insane. It was like freaking crazy tonight. That's just freaking crazy, dude. It's an insane stream, dude. I lost track of what I was gonna say. Have I taken a look at the Cardano chart? Yes, we already looked at the Cardano chart. I'm gonna do a recap. This is actually the first chart we opened with. Anyways, hit bullish action to the upside. Let's see if we're gonna get that. We're holding support. We're holding support at the 236. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. High, higher, high to low, right? So on this, we're getting this very nice move here, man. And high to low, and high to low as well, right? So there is that bearish divergence, right? That's a strong bearish divergence. Actually, on the downside, we didn't manage to try to go slightly higher here. I'm actually gonna have to zoom in more and check the price, bro. There we go. Right, it looks like we're moving sideways in the price here, right? So from here to here, right? We're just going sideways. And with that, we're creating that medium bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. And again, we have moved down on that, so that's good to know. Low, lower, right? Look. Low to a lower low, and we're going from negative momentum to less negative momentum. And lower still. Right now, sold at 35.16. That's it for Eagle, right? It's trying to go back up slightly. I'm gonna have to remove Seamus from my neck, dude. It's cool to have him there. But for the whole stream with the headset, it makes it really, really hard to be sitting here. And it puts some pressure on my head to be like sideways like this, which puts some pressure on my back. So make sure Seamus is here on the corner there. Y'all can keep on looking at him. He's doing, we'll make him dab or something. There you go, man. Dab Seamus. And that is Seamus, man. Here we go. I'll try to make him sit here, man. That is it. Seamus on the stream, man. There we go. Yeah, we're low on likes, man. Thank you so much. Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit like the bell and sub. Join us on Discord. My voice is usually not like this. I'm not a soft radio talk show host speaking dude. But my voice is shot from yesterday and tonight's stream. It did help a lot with like morale, but it didn't help a lot with the voice. Dude, you're gonna go high again on that. We haven't hit that 20. We can fail to drop lower in the previous low and then pump more. We can drop still slightly lower and still have that bullish divergence. Like if we were to come here and that would still be negative momentum, right? We could still go and pumping, right? So again, we're developing this strong bullish divergence. It could mean that we're gonna get price action to the upside on Eagle, right? Tip goal stand for Seamus. We'll see, man. We'll see. We'll see if we can get Seamus a tip goal, man. I was gonna put camera up there. I didn't put a total because I haven't even looked at what I need for the camera, the capture card, the lens. I think the tip goal obviously more than covers it, but I haven't really looked at anything for that. So that's why there was no amount next to it. We just said that it was going to be the next tip goal. I have to go and research what cameras get the one I need with what lens, capture card, and the power eliminator or a battery eliminator so that I can, do the stream and you guys see me with better quality, but I still really need to determine that. You should do a 3K thing where everyone donates a certain amount into crypto, then once that 3K, pick a winner. Yeah, we could do that, man, right? We could do that. I think the next big one was going to be at 5K. That's when I wanted to do the next big giveaway. But that's a good idea, man. We could do a pool stream, or like a certain day of the week, do a pool stream where everything that people donate that day goes to that pool, and then we can give it away. That was gonna be awesome, right? But I do gotta tell you guys something. On YouTube, I'm still waiting on something to come through, right? Look at this. YouTube's giving me this message here that says, important, please sign into your AdSense and verify your address using the PIN code made to you to your billing address. That PIN hasn't come through. So everything that's being given on Super Chat, it's still stuck on YouTube. That I haven't seen any assent to that. So that's fine. Don't worry about that. I'll get that someday whenever that PIN comes through. So, I mean, I'm not worried about that, but that's a good idea, dude. We'll definitely consider it. Put in the Discord, and we'll all figure out like which day we could do the stream for just adding money into that pool, and then we'll figure it out, right? Go look at GRT. All right, we just finished E-Gold. I'm gonna go look at GRT real quick because apparently it's just crashing. So. Like, it went down a little bit. I would like Torin. It went down a little bit. I'm not sure what price you got in at, but I'm on GRT, man. Like, go hit live, and you should see me doing GRT live right now. Again, we're talking about pullback, and we're going to hear it was all-time high, so we'd still manage to pull quite a bit more. What was the high? $2.51. Now it's just sitting at $2.35. It did pull back a little bit. It's not like an insane pullback, and it's really not really crashing, right? We're not getting a strong pullback. Just 5%, man. 5% is nothing in crypto. I would really wait to see this maybe go down a lot more for me to start getting worried about it and get pullback. So right now it's still doing good, right? I wouldn't panic on this. And like I said, I'm waiting for some pullback to happen. Clifford,
what's up?
Hey, for being here. AMP next. Higher, positive, and then higher still. Overbought at 90.47. On the 1 hour chart, higher, positive, higher still. Right, so overbought at 85.98. But from way back here, we're going to have that bearish divergence. That's going to put pressure on the price to go down. I'm going to go from here to here, right? So on that note, we have that strong bearish divergence. Just remember that. Here we have low to high, and here to here, right? So with that, we have that hidden bullish divergence direction to the upside. We just went insanely high, man, to be honest. So again, on AMP, I'm also worried about pullback happening, and it's behaving a little bit like the graph, right? Same impulse, it's getting more or less the same pullback, a little bit less though, because on the other one we had the wick, right? But again, getting some pullback. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and see what's happening there. All right, on 1 hour chart, it looks like a lot different story, right? We're consolidating. We have strong bearish divergence in the 1 hour, but we're consolidating, and that's fine. Consolidation is good. Consolidation is your friend. Consolidation is an area where you can accumulate more before the next run. Low to high. Negative to more negative. Right, and with that we have that hidden bullish also taking that pump, and then right now on the 1 hour there's that strong bearish divergence direction down. So I started to move down again. We haven't quite made a flag. It would be really nice if this starts flagging and then gets another leg going, right? Atom pumping, yeah. Let's go back to Atom again. That's it for AMP real quick. Adam. A lot of things are pumping tonight. That's just getting back to the same level we were at when we looked at it, right? Look, same level, 1872. Not doing that bad. Still has that bearish divergence. This could still go on pumping a little bit more, and we can still go here a little bit higher and still have that bearish divergence. So again, not going crazy about it right now. I'm gonna be right back, guys. Give me one quick second. I'm gonna get more water or something because my throat's starting to dry out. And again, I'll be right back. I'm back. Thank you guys for sticking with me through that small intermission. If you like what we do, hit a like, the bell, and sub. Join us on Discord. Link is in the description. The wallet's going to come through with a T hookup in a second. I'm going to try to push through a couple more coins. RDD, Sand. We'll see. At least 2 from what's on the list. I'm actually going to finish queuing up the list that you guys gave me. I'm not sure what I'm going to be able to get through. Comp, I think, is the last one. All right, so... that's fine, you know. Like I said, I'm not worried about GRT yet. Adam's still pumping, right? It wasn't working. We're not getting a lot of pullback yet. This is not the graph we're looking at. I have the other one somewhere down here. I have 2 charts for the graph. This one. Right, it's still down a little bit. That's fine. Dude, that's awesome, Brent. Congrats, man. I hope that project does good for you, man. Adam, cursing back to the yeah, dude. Again, a lot of coins are popping, dude. I wish I could have multiple charts open and just be looking at all the market. I think I can. Jake had given me an address the other day for something where I can put this one. See if I can get this one to load. I'm not sure how many things we're gonna get here, but I'm gonna try to fit a lot of charts in the camera right now. And we're gonna look at multiple stuff real quick, which is gonna be really cool for you guys. So I'm not gonna be able to do a lot of charting on this, but we can look at multiple projects at once. So that's what we want to do right now. So let's get this to here. So you guys can see it. That's that. And then here we'll make it go slightly higher to, I guess it's there, right? And now you can see a lot of charts. You're gonna look tiny on your screen. If you're looking on TV, it's gonna look good. But if you're not, I think forget it, man. It looks too tiny even here on my screen. So, yeah. Let's go with that. Let's go back here. Bad idea. Should I just not look at GRT? Anyways, let's do RDD, man. RDD is that one that was moving really weird a while back. Remember, it was just very blocky. It was worth sats. I remember that because the name, it's really weird. And I remember that one. RDD at 9, great. It pumped a little bit. Last time we were looking at this, again, a lot of blocking is. I don't like this project. I don't like charting this project. It's so blocky, dude. High, low, positive, positive, high, low, nothing bearish. Let's go to the 4 hour. High, low, positive, positive, high, low, nothing bearish, dude. Low, lower, lower, nothing bullish either. Just regular sideways motion. We hit a target. We hit that 382. Looks like we're moving right in the middle of that, and we want to go to a 236 again. That's it. I'm not gonna go to the 1 hour for this one. It's so crazy, man. It's just flatlined. If you're never read flatlined, but that's what this looks like when we go there. So it's pretty. Not that I don't want to do the 1 hour, but look at it. It's just so hard to draw something here. High, higher, positive, high, higher. That's it. There's nothing here that is bearish right now in the short term. So it's just sideways motion. Let's go to sand. Spartacus, sand and blood. All the coins at once. Yeah, I actually put that as a resource. You can make this as large as you want. You can change the width and the height here to as many screens you want to have. Obviously, if you have a big screen TV, you can look at a lot of stuff, but well, could work for people who are watching this on TV, right? Let's go to sand, man. Again, we had fibs on the 1 hour probably from high to low. We changed them now. I forgot what we're doing. Get the fibs out again. Go from low. High. Again, we still have not made a valid retrace, so that's fine. Yeah, it's fine on a monitor, I guess. But it depends on how many things you want to show in there. I wanted to get a drink of water. Tea's not here yet. Brad, what's up, dude? Are the coin requests closed? The coin requests are not closed. They're paused, dude. My throat is gone, dude. My voice is shot today. So I'm not going through a lot of projects. I'm just going through, like right now, I'm going through a project at a time. I think I'm only going to get the Crow and that's it. One quick second. The T's here. I'm back. Thanks for sticking with me through that small intermission. Right, so music stopped apparently. There we go. So, last things, right? Let's go. I think sand and crows. Crows is definitely probably gonna be the last one, dude. My throat's like not doing me any favors. So definitely coming up higher. And still coming lower and still coming lower, right? So still have that strong bearish divergence direction to the downside potentially. Again, it's still really bullish, so bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. Yeah, Brent's right. You should do your own research always, man. Right? Look here, double bottom. target hit. Great. We were looking for bearish divergence before we hit target. Awesome. We passed it, came back down, hit support at the fibs that we have here on on this channel that we just changed, I guess. So I'm actually gonna shift this to make them fit the actual areas, I guess, that we want to look at. So that's the high, and adjust the low here a little bit more. All right, that's that. That works. Hit the fibs at 382, bounced, finding support at that 236. Again, hitting that 100% high. So we haven't made a valid retrace, right? We have not retraced yet. We have not. There's facts that we're hitting this area. It's just nothingness right now. It's just coincidence because we're going from low to high. Or actually, we should shift this. I'm going to consider this a local low. There we go, local low. All right, too high, and we have to make a valid retrace yet. We have to hit that 236. We haven't done it yet. Last thing we have playing out here is this the bottom that's moving us to the upside. There is a lot of bearish divergence being built here. From here to here, right? And from here, oh snap, there we go. Here to here, and from here to here, right? Strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside. Going down slightly, hitting that 20, finding support and pumping, right? We don't have anything hidden. We don't have any hidden bullish, right? I already checked. So low, high, negative, less negative, and then low, high also. So that's fine. Creating more bearish divergence here, and also here against the MACD, right? And with that, we're getting that potential fraction of downside. That's fine. Gonna wait and see if that it's gonna get us to retrace and hit this 236. We already hit the 20. We're bouncing, so we're rejecting lower prices at the 20. Let's see if it's gonna keep on going through, man. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Sand, what's happening here? High, higher, high, low, high, high, low, low, high, low, low. All right, so on this last bit here, there is some strong bearish divergence being developed, and that could bring some potential fraction to downside. We're moving down on that, hitting that 20, trying to find support. And this is the area that I'm looking at, right? Again, potential double top forming here. Not looking to create a double top, but again, one top here, right? I'll just show them. I'm not gonna target them or anything. I'm not sure if they're gonna play out yet. The only thing I know is that we don't have anything bullish to counter them right now. So this is one top, this is another top, right? So it's looking like an atom and a potential Eve forming here. High low, positive, high low. Neutral at 55.56. That's the first sand, man. Again, it's pumping a lot. Market's really bullish. Could be trying to hold on to that 20 pump more. I would be expecting to see a retrace at least a little bit before we keep on running, but you know, that's that. Let's go to sand. Let's go to Crow. Crow. Here we go. I think it's this one. I have two Crow charts. Here we go. On the daily, we're looking for the bearish divergence. Actually, downside, that's fine. Low, high, negative, nothing here. High, low, positive, it's positive. High, low, new bought at 65.33. Nothing bearish. And resistance at 236. That's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour chart here. Alright. So here we're looking for some bearish divergence. I lost one of the keys. The counters, we should say. That would be the one from here to here. I can tell because the only place it would make sense to have that bearish divergence, right? We're going from high to low. So again, we're looking for that strong bearish divergence. It tracked, moved down to a 20, pumped. Great. Now, from the previous high, we no longer have anything. And from the nearest high, with this one, we don't have anything. Low to high, right? Low to high, low to high. Let's find nothing bearish. Again, pulling back down, still above that 236. Trying to find support there. That's that. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. See what we have there, man. On the 1 hour chart, man. Again, high, higher. Something came through. Maybe from the 1 hour or the daily. No, the 4 hour. Here we go. Go back to the 4 hour. There you are. Dude, is this gonna track or is this gonna play? Let's see. High to low, great. Some high to low here. There's some strong bearish divergence being developed. with that possibility for action to the downside, right? So let's anchor this on the 1 hour chart. That's awesome, dude. There we go. Right, so low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish there. High, 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 possible. What was I gonna call here? This one here. There we go. Right, and going higher, coming lower. Bearish divergence strong. Action to the downside. Moving below that 236. And we're trying to see where we're gonna go. Right now, we're still bought at 62.27. Dude, that's it. I can't go more. My voice is like so dead, man. That's gonna be it, man, for tonight. Thank you guys for being here. My throat is like gone, man. Seamus, I'm gonna bring you down for a second, man. Thank you for being here as well, Seamus. With this wee bit leprechaun. Last things I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna recap real quick Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that's gonna be the outro, right? Someone say ADA, so we're gonna check out ADA real quick as well and see how it's doing. So let's go ADA and see how that's doing, right? ADA at 91, so very close to $1, right? Getting above the what's it that we had here? 786, right? Yeah, getting above that 786. So high low positive is positive, high low, right? Low, lower negative, or negative low. Didn't have anything here that is bullish. Maybe the half hour might have something. Nope, not even in the half hour, right? So we're trying to recover, that's fine. Yeah, not seeing anything here, man. Weird. See back here. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. The 4 hour we had hidden bullish. Yeah, 4 hour had hidden bullish. So yeah, 4 hour hidden bullish could be coming into play. Action to the upside. We're recovering that area. If we manage to get above this previous high, we could be on track to maybe go and hit $1, right? Again, markets are extremely bullish still. And on daily for ADA, again, nothingness, right? Holding on support at that 786 like champs. So let's see for ADA. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum, I'm gonna close out with Bitcoin. That's it, guys. No more coins for today. At 1,757. Again, bearish divergence, extra downside. Great. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, extra downside. Bouncing, failing to get higher in the previous high. That's continuation. Now below the 20. Trying to find support at 1,729. Someone set targets for Ethereum, right? Earlier, so targets for Ethereum are here, man. Right, one target for Ethereum would be that 1,729 area. No más monedas, Brent. No más coins. Again, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish here, but what I'm looking at is where can we go for support? Now, I think support is at 1,726. Below that area, we might have some support somewhere around here, man. I'm trying to like gauge it. Get work here, man. I'm not sure if this was gonna be a legit support, but I'm just gonna draw a line here. Look, we're resisted here, right? Resisted, held support, then held support, then held support here. So we could also have a sort of support at 1,674. I'm not so sure about this one. That's why it's colored in white. I'm gonna wait for this to really determine if it's gonna be holding on support there and see what's gonna be up with this. Let's go on the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart again. Potential old top failed. Right? That old support became resistance, bearish divergence, hidden, action to downside. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Neutral at 45.19. That's it for Ethereum. Let's go Bitcoin and recap that, and that's it, guys. Quinn Rivers on the Stella Pollo way. That was a great support today, man. Let's get the Bitcoin, man. It was a lot of support today, man. It's just insane, Dad. My voice is so gone. Like, I'm not even sure if I don't think tomorrow I'm gonna do the stocks. Not because I don't want to, it's because my voice. If I'm rested tomorrow, I'm not gonna be able to come and do the night stream. I gotta take some more medicine tonight. I read your Spanish sentence, bro. I said no más coins. Unless you typed another one I didn't see, but that's the last one I saw from you, man. That says no más coins, no más monedas. Gracias, Quinn Rivers. Thank you very much for that, man. again, Bitcoin again breaking that area, right? We didn't recover it. We're below that 20 now, facing as resistance. New target 4,683. If we fail there, right, we can still come a little bit lower to cradle into this shoulder. Right, this shoulder could still drop all the way down here, right? This area here at 45,500 and something. For some reason, I have this line here in green. It should be on blue. This is what we're looking for as support. Right, so support. All right, was support, resistance. All right, maybe support here at 45,000. And still come all the way down here and still make this other shoulder, right, for continuation. So that's what I'm looking for here. Oh, your Spanish lesson from last night? I know, dude. They were inappropriate. That's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Thank you guys for coming in tonight again. I really appreciate y'all. Thank you for joining me tonight at the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto news and technicals. I'm your host, Martin. ASMR voice, yeah. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Hold it. I'm not sure, man, if it's good to buy Bitcoin and hold it. No sé si I want to comprar Bitcoin and hold it, man. It's entirely up. Es tu decisión, man. It's entirely up to you, man. Again, guys, thank you for joining me tonight. If you like what we do, hit the like button, sub. Join us in the Discord. Links in the description. Bob Moses to mean, sure we made support. Dude, we're breaking it. Swing where, man? This line is my support line. I'll go on this chart. This line was a support line that I had, right? And we're breaking it. I'm not sure where you want me to trace it, bro. So if I go with the wicks, right, like I had on the other one, we'll get something like this. So, oh, I see what you're saying, man. I think I see what you're saying. Like this support that we're hitting back here on February the 9th, this right here, maybe, man, it could be, right? It could be an area of support. You're right. Right here, I'll put the line. See, resistance, right? Support, broke it, and right now we're breaking it. So we have a resistance, I think, dude. 3 minute, 5 minute. All right, I'm gonna have to go into the. I'm gonna have to go to the 3 minute, 5 minute again, guys. I'm just gonna finish this and get out because yeah, I can keep going, man. Fib support. All right, let's do this, man. Let's draw some fibs. All right, so a little high, I guess. Something like that. Maybe, man. It could be right that we're doing some support here. You could be right. I'm gonna use this as a local low, and then I'm gonna use this here as a local high. Pinpoint a little bit more, man. There we go. I'm gonna leave this just on this 5 minute chart, man. I don't want it to go anywhere else. All right. Oh, you don't have? Oh, bro, that sucks. Huh. You're talking about the fib support, man. I'm trying to find it for you before I go, man. So I could see this acting as support at that 382, right? And then bouncing fibs versus 236. So yeah, on the 5 minute, we could say we're bouncing between fibs, and we made a valid retrace. We already hit that 382, so we could be on target to maybe that's it. Say that's it, or we could come all the way down here, 45,000. Which again, going back to this chart, that 45,000 area is very close to where I just drew this support right now. Oh snap! Where did we place it? Was it on the 1 hour chart? Might have been. Or was it on the daily, man? I know I just placed. Oh, it's here, dude. 45,467, right? That could complete the head and shoulders pattern that we could be looking at, right? And that is the end of the retrace zone. All right, if we go to the 5 minute, you look at that retrace zone. Usually we retrace to that 618 at 45,700. So again, it would be able to come down here potentially. Say that's it. I'm done retracing. Most of the retraces happen between that 382 and that 618. So if we wanted to come down here, it could. It wouldn't be weird. Create that other shoulder and then maybe reverse there, man. Anyways, That's gonna be it, man. Yeah, that's it, dude. 5 minute. Yeah, there's something on the fibs there, man. Guys, that's it for tonight again. Thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button, sub, and join us in the Discord. Links in the description, guys. Again, remember, all the content that we produce here at the State of Crypto is for entertainment and education purposes only. That's gonna be it, man. Yeah, I got it. I'll take it easy, dude. It's all for education and entertainment purposes only. Don't trade based on what you see here. Again, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome, what is it tonight? Thursday night. Again, thank you for coming. Thank you for making this night amazing. It was such an amazing stream, guys. Thank you all for the support, for the love, for the likes, for the comments, just for the awesome donations that you guys gave tonight. It was so insane, man. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate y'all. And I'll be here tomorrow again for another edition of the State of Crypto, man. Trampus, thanks for the donation. Rex, Lackveer, Mamba for life. Jake, who else donated? Jack Proc, Bring Facts. Who else, man? Chris Tagray, Gavin, thank you very much for that as well. Montera, right? And Craig, Mamba, and I think Guy Freak. Who else am I missing? Jake already said. Antonio Vasquez, Andrew, man, Crypto House, Andrew, thank you for being here. Like I said, Trampus, and I think that's everyone I got almost, man. Maybe I'm missing someone real quick. Let me just make sure I'm not. AD also, Danielle Integrity, painting. Oh, that's from yesterday. That's it, dude. That's all. Thank you all for joining me tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto, guys. Until then.